Okay, so you saw from the video the terrible noise my Jeep was making. I put it on Craigslist, but randomly, every now and then you get random acts of kindness. A guy called me out of Texas and he said, if I was in Denver, I'd buy your Jeep. I think I know the problem. High mileage, he says he can't stand that normal engine oil. So what he recommended I do was go down to my local auto shop and get 2 Hyper Lubes. Hyper Lube synthetic oil supplement. And I looked online, it looks like Mobil 1 1030 synthetic seems to be a popular for this engine. Along with a MicroGuard oil filter, we're gonna put that in. I have the Jeep draining right now to save time. I'm gonna go under and put my oil filter on now, and then we're gonna put in the oil in this engine, 2 of these, 4 quotes of the Mobil 1. We're gonna see if that terrible noise goes away. It's just a wives' tale. I hope it works. Okay, so I just did the dipstick test. Make sure it's completely dry. Here's what I drained out of it. Might be hard to tell. That is some goop. Looks like T-Rex might have lived in there at one point. All right, so the next step is oil her up. Okay, so the spouts on these seem kind of small. Looks like they, for people who only want to put a little in. Now the guy on the phone, he said, trust me, put 2 of these in. These are only recommended to be supplement. We're going all out. Boy, that is some thick stuff. So we're just gonna give it a squeeze. Let her get in there. All right, well that one's draining down. We'll get the other one started. I just like to take the pointy top and point it right into the top there to open her up. Easiest way for me. Okay, we get the last couple of drains out of those bottles. Here's the Mobil 1 synthetic, high mileage, 1030. For cars with more than 75,000. It says 225. Okay, now I left about maybe 1.5 to 2 quarts left, just in case there's some residual oil in the engine. We're gonna get this bad boy all cleaned up, put back together, and give her a start test, the moment of truth. I spilled a little oil in the manifold, so it's gonna stink like there's an engine problem. Which there is, but it'll just smell like it now. Okay, come with me as we start this thing and take a listen.